What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be installing tweeters on a 2016 and up Tacoma. This one specifically is a 2018 Tacoma. So if you do have a similar vehicle, it's going to be the same exact process. Before we get into the installation process though, if you guys do remember, I did have a giveaway running. It was for a Lightbar, the harness, and the OEM Cali Race switch. So we're going to announce the giveaway winner after the installation process. So if you do remember and you did enter into that giveaway, please make sure to stay until the end of this video because I'll be announcing who won. So let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you how it's done. So we already did the front speakers. If you missed that, go check it out. It's in the description box below. Now we're going to be installing some brand new kicker tweeters on my 2018 Tacoma. If you do have a 2016 and up Tacoma, this video is going to be for you. It's going to be an easy install. It is a plug and play. And don't trip out because the box that these do come in, say it's for a Subaru, but it fits this one. Alright, so we're going to be starting with the passenger side. It's going to be really similar to the driver's side, but I'm showing you this side because it's a little more difficult. So you're going to notice the grab handles here. There's going to be a cap here and a cap here. You want to go ahead and either get a plastic removal tool or you can get a little flathead like this. You're going to go ahead and get it underneath. Just kind of pop this off. Be really careful because it does break easily. And you're going to notice there's a bolt there that you have to remove. So let's go ahead and remove this bottom plastic piece first, and then we'll do that. So now you want to go ahead and get a 10mm socket with an extension. There's going to be a bolt here and a bolt right on the bottom. Let's go ahead and remove those. Alright, tug on it, it removes just like that. But once you remove this panel that goes here, you're going to notice the tweeter is under there. You want to go ahead and get your plastic removal tool. We're going to go ahead and start with the front. Okay, I don't care. Just work your way around it. There's also one on this side. Once you've done that, it releases just like that. So once you remove the cover, you're going to notice the tweeter here. It's pretty ugly and small. We're going to go ahead and remove that. There's going to be two 10mm. And here, if you do have a swivel head socket and wrench, it would help out. That way you can get in behind here. If you do not have one, you'll still be okay. Just get a 10mm wrench and go ahead and unscrew that. It's just going to take a little bit more time if you do it this way. So once you pull it up, you're going to notice the wire harness is there. You're going to go ahead and flip the tweeter around. And right here, there's going to be a little tab. You want to go ahead and push that in. Push the harness down and the tweeter up, and it should release. We're going to go from this little thing right here to this beautiful kicker. Let's go ahead and reinstall it. It's going to be a plug and play. The harness is pretty much, you plug it in and play. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, once you've plugged it in, let's go ahead and drop the tweeter in. Before bolting everything down and putting it back together, you want to go ahead and test it, make sure it does work. Now that I tested it, it does work out. You want to go ahead and reinstall your bolts and just put everything back together. I'll go ahead and show you a quick clip on how to do the driver's side, but it's basically the same exact steps. Nothing too hard. So when you're reinstalling this, you're going to notice there's two tabs here. You want to go ahead and make sure to put it in at an angle. So those tabs go in first. And then you could just snap everything back in place just by hitting it. Nice and easy. Let's go ahead and put the panel that goes there back together. We're going to go ahead and put the bolts back that were there. So we're going to go ahead and reinstall these panel clips right here. These panel covers. So just clips back in. Make sure you put it in straight. Don't break up the tabs, just like Steve just did off camera. He broke everything. Yep. Like always.
Mm-hmm. Destructive.
He just breaks everything every time.
Memorable, nothing but the best.
Now that that's done, let's go ahead and give you a short clip on the other side, but it's basically, like I said, the same steps. Basically, like I said, I'm not going to show you the whole process, but the only difference over here is, as you can tell, it doesn't have a grab handle. So you just want to go ahead and get either a plastic removal tool or a flathead just like this one. You want to go ahead and get behind this SRS. It helps if you push this back just like that, get it in there, and pop this off. You're going to notice there's going to be another 10mm right there. 10 mil. Just go ahead and remove that. Pull back towards you, and it should just pop off. It's held in with clips. Be careful with the airbag. It does help to have the negative of the battery disconnected on this process, just in case. So that's it. So you just do the same process, and of course reinstall everything, and then you should be good to go. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace. Alright, so really quick, you guys, we're going to go ahead and now pick the winner. I'm going to be using the same website as always, which is commonpicker.com. I like that website because it chooses, you know, the correct person that actually entered. So let's go ahead and pick the winner for the Lightbar. So if you guys do remember this video, it was the Lightbar, it was a Cali Ray switch, and it was, of course, the wiring harness. So if you do end up winning today's giveaway, please let me know which Lightbar you want. For the 30-inch, I already have it here at home with me, so it's going to be a lot easier to get to you. But if you do want the 32-inch aux beam Lightbar, please let me know in the email. So I will make sure to, of course, leave my email. Alright, let's go ahead and find out who won. I just pasted the video URL. Let's go ahead and get the comments. It's going to filter out any duplicate comments. So there's 262 that entered correctly. Let's go ahead and just see who won. So cross your fingers, you guys. And remember, there's always going to be a lot more giveaways. Alright, so there you go. Sorry if I pronounced this wrong, but Araldo Rodriguez, you are the winner. My email is in the description box below, so go ahead and just send me an email, and I'll go ahead and send out your product to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to let me know if you want the 30-inch. I already have that. Or if you want the 32-inch, it's going to take me a couple more days to get to you. So just let me know in the email. And like I said, there's always going to be a lot more giveaways for you guys. I do this just to show you guys that I do appreciate you guys watching and just supporting the channel, because it means a lot. You grow, I grow, so it helps each other out. More giveaways. Alright, so once again, congrats to this guy, and email me. See you guys next time.